There is So how are we, lads?
Son.
Fucking happy. Right, let's go see this boatyard.
We're happy it's not raining this time.
You horrible bastard. Right, so I'm sporting my lovely pistol from that cunt who gave it me. Ian, you know you said bullseye earlier? Fucking bully! Look! It's got a bully on the fucker!
You don't have a bully on it.
Fucking too right.
You don't have a bully on it. That was a graffiti artist. He was going past and he saw him in the car park. And he asked if he could come and spray one.
That's fucking brilliant.
Bully special prize. 2 nights at Blackpool. Ooh.
Fucking too right.
Come on, when did that go on?
It was in the car park. He was driving past. The graffiti artist had just finished doing a massive artwork in Coventry, in the town centre. And he was driving past and he phoned me and he's like, people keep asking me to do a bully on a boat. Is there any chance?
Is there any
Come and have a
chance?
Come and have a bash.
That's nuts.
So it's all over his socials.
That was beautiful.
Which is advertising for you, really, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Just a bit.
This is nuts.
It's a bit different.
It's a lot better than a fucking field, yeah.
Yeah. Well, all this was just overgrowth, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
That's all it was, just overgrowth.
As soon as we got pinned in here, we were fucked.
No, not woodland. It was just got a few bits to do this week.
Yeah, stop talking to us.
You tell him.
Just gonna mince into
Yeah,
here.
I was going to
Thank
say,
you.
I'm going to run no man's land, get
walking,
casino.
yeah.
Stu, why are you talking to them? They're taking so much time. I don't.
Do ya?
Stop with this joke! It's not fucking funny! I don't. I said yesterday I didn't like him and now all of a sudden
I like how
it's
defensive
escalated.
you've gotten.
Yeah, because they all piss me off.
Because you
Yesterday I
don't.
kept-
Because you like Ed
They kept saying
Sheeran.
I was ginger yesterday. Does my hair look ginger? No. Don't talk to me. No, I do not. Oh, my dad.
That's fine. That's fine. Can I leave that in the video?
Yeah.
Fine.
As long as everyone knows it's my dad.
That's fine. No. Oh, we're pretty aware. Today. Yep. Well done. Fucking minigun.
Hello.
Hey,
Hiya. This is why I don't like to spawn on that side. You get spawn trapped so easily. He said, watch out for that one. Yeah, he's coming this grenade, he's coming this grenade. Yellow.
Just think, this was somebody's pride and joy at one point. Many an orgy was performed on it.
Really?
No, it's a shithole.
5 of them pushed me, I took them all out and then one guy had a fucking tectonic and he threw it in there.
It just goes to show, you just need an aid to shift you.
It's funny though, because 5 pushed me and not a single one of them got me.
I'm sticking with you, you're fun.
Huh?
Are they still in the cargoes or?
We can get all the way into the fucking containers.
Yeah.
The
Go on,
cargoes are
anything
all
keep
clear.
up, Hammers.
Oh fuck, running. It's a good testament to see how we're doing when there's fucking nobody in the spawn. We're doing quite well, there's no fucker in the spawn. Oh, piss off!
I got it last week as well.
That's a fucking fix. Is he in? What are you getting?
I think I've got him.
Got him. Got him.
It's a relief.
Isn't it?
One there in the little bunker, yellow, I'm pretty sure. I saw a flash of yellow. Might got him one day, but not so
Gotcha. Minigun, far side speedball. Gotcha. No, my team. Hit. Left. There is I'll edit in later. Mental note to self: every time Martha comes on the TV, put the first couple of notes from that shape of view on. Fucking Josh just found the 308. Yeah. Yeah, go on, fuck off. Guys, right in front. Cheers. Fucking hit. Hey, fucking hell.
I feel like I almost snapped my ankle then. Hope that's on record.
Yes.
Amazing. Send it to me.
Hey,
I almost snapped my ankle on that one then. That's what it is though, because there's a fucking lip in it, there's a hole in there and I'm fucking hit the lip.
you could blame the badgers. I'm standing here until you get up.
Post it.
Oh, it is.
Post it, please. I'm begging of you. Oh, what?
Right. It's fucking gone. Would he?
Hello.
Wise words for today?
Don't get shot.
Don't get shot. That is mean. Ooh. Very nice. Edge of the end of the bridge. Got it. Guys behind that.